Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix AO buffering issues. Clear the cache in your ISU application. This is the quickest fix. First, navigate to your ISU application. If you're using the web version, the process to clear your browser's cache will be different. Clear the cache in your ISU application. This is the quickest fix. First, navigate to your ISU application. If you're using the web version, the process to clear your browser's cache will be different. Open the app and click on the settings icon, usually a gear in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select the streaming option. Look for and click the button that says Clear Local Storage or Clear Cache. This will delete all the temporary data from your streaming session, which often resolves playback issues. Next, while still in the streaming settings, scroll down. You need to ensure your streaming quality or buffer size is appropriately set. Look for an option like streaming quality, data saver, or buffer size. Make sure this setting is not on auto or a very high value. For most users, setting it to a standard level like 2 GB or high quality, not maximum, provides a good balance and can prevent buffering. And that's it. Following these steps should resolve your AO buffering problems. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.